Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat. And in this video, I would like to unbox a very unique diamond painting kit that I purchased from company WIZARDI or WIZARDI. I'm not sure which syllable is stressed. Uh, I have never heard about this company before. I found their website by accident, but I was really very impressed with the diamond paintings that they had. Really very unique designs that I had not seen before that. And my husband went ahead and ordered me this very image that I really liked a lot. This website is pretty expensive. The kit for, let's round it up, in the size of 50 by 40 centimeters cost $41 on sale. The original price was around 50 or $60, so it is pretty pricey. So I decided to try one kit to see how well it's gonna turn out, if the completed kit would look detailed and the colors will blend in perfectly. I would order one more kit that I really liked a lot and I didn't see on other websites and in other stores. And I also purchased this diamond painting kit that is wood based. It is some kind of I don't know, I guess Christmas ornament or something. So we will open it up and see it later. But now let's see the canvas and the drills. A very interesting packaging, actually. The box is divided into parts. In the first part, we can see the square drills that are already pre-sorted in individual Ziploc bags, and in the other section there is the canvas and the tools, tweezers, and a triangle tray, along with the, I guess, step-by-step instructions. So let's start with the canvas. So that's how the canvas looks. To tell you the truth, I'm not really very impressed because for such a price, I would expect the canvas to be either fabric, or at least I would expect the poured glue, not double-sided adhesive, which we can see here on the canvas, although the imprint is pretty nice. And I already see the bubbles, air bubbles in the on the canvas, on the adhesive. Again, not that I wouldn't expect that for that much money. Okay, so at this point, I'm not sure if I'm gonna order anything else from them, because to tell you the truth, the canvas is pretty cheap, just a standard, material. It's more paperly, I would say, but still a standard plastic canvas. 42 colors. Okay, let me open the canvas so this way you would see the imprint on it. So this is how the imprint looks. As far as I see, it is not very color related, which is fine. I like the element of surprise. But what I do not like is the multiple rivers, multiple air bubbles. That's not what I would expect. Here it is for the from the kit that is so pricey. The camera doesn't really show that many air bubbles, but believe me, there are. I mean, it is not critical, but again, for such a price, I would expect the kit to be perfect with not a single air bubble, and I would expect it to have at least poured glue. If this diamond painting had a poured glue, then air bubbles wouldn't even be a problem. They wouldn't even exist. What else I do not like is a lot of adhesive here beyond the design, which also doesn't make sense why there is going to be double-sided tape over there, double-sided adhesive. Other than that, the symbol printing is nice. The symbols themselves are recognizable, easy to read. But unfortunately, yeah, I'm a little bit disappointed. For such a price, I am disappointed. The canvas, standard double-sided tape, air bubbles. Hmm. Well, we'll see how it's gonna turn out completed. Hopefully, it will be detailed. At this point, okay, I can be fine with the standard canvas quality with poured glue, as long as the artists worked on this kit and it would turn out exactly as it is here on the preview. I was actually planning to replace some of the drills in the windows with either AB or crystals because I want to show the light in them. I wouldn't want to leave it dark as it is in here on the original picture. So the kit comes with 42 colors, 40 by 50 centimeters, a full square drill diamond painting kit. Now let's look at it. Okay, here are the diamonds, the drills, 42 colors. From what I see, they are of pretty good quality, very similar to diamond dots ones. But what I do not like about it is that they're not in a numeric order. As far as I understand, these are DMC codes, but it would be much easier if they were numeric. But that's fine, I guess. It's all good. I like the colors, pretty bright yet very realistic ones, natural ones. So I hope it will turn out pretty good. I do not complain about the diamonds at this point. Of course, I need to start working on them to make sure that they are of a good quality, but from what I see now, I really like it. Beautiful colors. I didn't even count them because I mean, again, I wish they were in a numeric order. This way I would know all of them are um, fine, all of them are correct, but whatever. I'm not going to do the inventory. 42 colors, too many. Beautiful colors. So, as to the other diamond painting, it is like a charm, winter house for me. It looks like a Christmas tree ornament. So this is a wooden base. There is a poured glue, as far as I understand. I have to glue it somehow over here, the adhesive, and then start working with the diamonds. 7 colors. One is AB, the white one. I might replace red one with the brown one. Not sure if I want the house to be red. I don't know. I'll think about it. I'm not gonna work on it yet. But I wish they had more AB colors though. So I have no idea what this is to hang it somewhere, but most likely I will use it as a Christmas tree ornament. So this is all for today. Just for those of you who were contemplating on whether to purchase anything from WIZARDI or not, wait for now because again it is very pricey. I'm kind of disappointed with the canvas, too cheap for me. um I wish for this price the quality would be better. So now let me I will start working on it as soon as I'm done with the Diamond Dots Field of Dreams diamond painting. I actually um, progressed much faster than I expected. And as soon as I'm done with it, I will work on WIZARDI. And then once you see the final result, I guess you will be able to make up your mind whether it's worth buying or not. The same with me. I will wait from purchasing another kit that I really liked a lot on their website because I want to see if it's worth it when completed. If it's gonna look very detailed, I might buy it. If not, most likely I will just buy it from I will have a custom from AliExpress. So this is it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will leave the link in the description box below in case if you're interested in their kits.